Hello everyone. Today let's explore the concept of total quality management (TQM) and its significance in organizational excellence. Okay, so these are the principles of TQM: the customer focus, leadership, involvement of people, process approach, system approach, continual improvement, functional approach to decision making, and the mutual benefit supplier relationship. First is customer focus. So customer focus means understanding what your customer want from your product or service. Supporting your company's goal with the customer need help you to choose the right material, hire the right people, and use the best process to exceed their expectation. To do this well, research and understand exactly what your customer want. Talk to your customer often to see how happy they are with your product or service and use their feedback to make improvement. Balancing customer need with those of your company and others is important in managing customers' relationship. So let's see the benefits of being customer focused in your business. Firstly, being customer focused can lead to more sales, increased revenue, and a larger market share. Moreover, satisfied customers often become advocate for your brand, right? So increase likelihood that they will recommend your product and service to others. By prioritizing customer satisfaction, business can gain these benefits and foster long-term success. The next principle of TQM is the total employee commitment. The total employee commitment highlights the importance of having the good dedicated and the involvement of all the employees in achieving the organizational goals. Employees must understand the vision and the goals communicated by organization to align their efforts accordingly. They also provide the sufficient training and resources is essential to empower the employee to complete tasks effectively and be committed to reaching goals on time. To implement this TQM principle effectively, there are some points we need to follow, like make sure everyone knows how important their work is for the final product. Second, let employees handle problems and take charge so that they can feel responsible. Third, employees should review their work and adjust to do better. Next, recognize good work to keep employees confident and motivated. Next, make sure everyone knows what they need to, train them well, and use resources wisely. Next, when everyone is fully committed, companies can make the more of their team and do great work. Next, encourage learning and growth by giving employees opportunities to take on new roles and increase their skills and experience. And the last, create an open environment where employees can talk about their problems and suggest solutions they feel. There are some benefits of total employee commitments, like first, higher employees retention because motivated employees are committed to satisfying customer. Next, more innovation and creativity from individuals and teams when solving problems and improving processes. Next, employees who take pride in their work and are accountable for it. And then last, increased enthusiasm for contributing to continuous improvement. The third approach of TQM is process approach. Adhering to process is important for quality management. Processes make sure that the right steps are followed at the right time to keep things consistent and speed up the production. To make this happen, they use tools like flowchart to show who does what and when. Look at what you are doing now and see where you can make things better. And the next, think what about things about how your action might affect your customers, suppliers, and everyone else involved. The next is integrated system. The integrated system connects all the departments and their tasks in a business. They also make sure everyone knows policies, standards, goals, and the processes. The integrated system helps find the ways to improve the continuously to stay ahead of competitors. To make this happen, they encourage a quality focused work culture. They use visuals like flowchart to help employees understand their roles. They offer training for employees to learn new process and grow in their career. There are some benefits too for the integrated system, like faster development and production, saving money and making more sales, and the consistency and predictable results. The next principle of TQM is strategic and systematic approach. As per ISO, the systematic approach means manage different processes together to work more efficiently. To make this happen, give your team the training and the tool they need to do their part in the process and keep improving process, product, and equipment to meet the goals. The benefits of the strategic approach is quickly find and fix the problem during or in the process, and they also improve the organization's ability and the performance. The next is continual improvement. To adapt to changing customers' need, businesses must continually improve their process and product. Here is how to implement this TQM principle. Set policies for the product and process improvement, encourage innovation, and involve employee in training. The benefits like improve the knowledge and the capabilities leading to the better performance. The next principle is fact-based decision making. The fact-based decision making, analyzing data, helps make better decisions and understand customers. Here is how to do it, like check data for reliability, share the relevant data and use a valid method for analysis. Then base decision on facts, not just intuition. The benefits include making informed decisions, defending past decisions with the factual record, and adjusting decisions based on the data review. Be open to changing decisions based on the reviewing data. Next is the communication, which is very important in the TQM or any organization. Everyone should know the plan and the strategy to reach the goal, or here is a big chance of failure. To make this happen, set up a clear way for everyone to get update and changes in the policies and processes. Involve employee in decision whenever possible or required, and make sure everyone knows their goal or role and how it fit into the bigger picture. The benefits of the communications are first, they boost the morale and motivation by showing how everyone's work helps the company. Improve coordination between departments. They measure how well policies and procedure are working more accurately, and they also increase the employee motivation because they are the part of decision making. So the next of the key elements of TQM. So there are some few key elements of TQM like ethics, integrity, trust, training, teamwork, leadership, recognition, and communication. We'll see these all the key elements one by one. So the first key element of TQM is ethics. As we all know, the ethical behavior is essential at both the organizational and the individual levels. Both the organization and the individual should follow the ethical principles. Teach everyone to follow the organization's code of conduct and stick to rules and regulations. The second element is integrity. The integrity means being honest or moral or fair and sincere and adhering to fact and values. Everyone should respect your organization's policies and avoid spreading rumors about colleges. And the total quality management won't succeed if the employee criticize and undermine each others. The next element is trust. Trust among employees ensure everyone participates. It strengthens the relationship and improves the decision making. And building a cooperative environment is crucial for TQM. Next is training. Training increases the awareness of TQM benefits. It also improving product quality and profitability. It enhancing interpersonal skills, teamwork, technical knowledge, decision making, and problem solving abilities. Teamwork, a quick problem solving for the business. They lead to permanent process and operational improvement, and teamwork together to identify and solve the problem effectively. There are some types of teams like quality improvement team. This team is temporary and basically they focused on specific problems. Second, problem solving team. It is also temporary and identifies and resolves the issues. And the third is natural working team. The natural working team is a small group of skilled person or worker with sharing tasks and responsibilities. The next is leadership. Leadership provides the direction for the entire TQM process. The supervisors are the source of inspiration and assist in decision making. The leaders believe in the TQM process and inspire others to do the same. The next key element is the communication. So as you may all know, the communication binds together every aspect of TQM and from the foundation to the implementation. The communication acts as a link between the different elements of TQM. They also ensure the mutual understanding of ideas between the sender and the receivers. The success of TQM only depends on the effective communication among the organizational members, suppliers, and the customers. There are two types of communication like downward communication and lower communication. The downward communication dominant form, information flows from the higher management to the employee, like management to employees. And the upward management, it is a lower level management or a lower level employees provide the suggestion to upper management. And communication flows from employee to top level management. The last is recognition. The final element of TQM act as a catalyst driving employees to work as a team. Everyone need appreciation and recognition for their efforts, right? So the organization should reward the best and the most brilliant ideas. So it's all about the TQM. Thank you so much for your time and stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.